This is a HP Pavilion 15 laptop and water damage laptop. See, memory slot fully corroded. See in microscope, memory slot fully corroded. We have to replace this memory slot, and due to water damage there is also 19-volt shorting. For 19-volt shorting we connect our DC power supply. See, we connect our DC power supply and we on our thermal camera. Due to shorting we have to inject the voltage. There is 19-volt short, and now we just inject .2 volt and we connect in CLR 19-volt line. See, they are taking 2 amp, and this side this component is heating too much. Maybe this side there is one capacitor. We have to replace this capacitor. See, taken 2 amp. We slow down the voltage and checking. This is one capacitor in normal vision. See, this is capacitor. This capacitor is shorted to the ground, and thermal vision it show fully. There is a 49.2 degree heating, and other side normal 40 and 42 degree. We have to replace this capacitor. Let's replace the capacitor and remove the shorting. Thank you. After replacing component, we connect DC power supply. See, before it's short dead, now it's taken 0.0697 amp. This is a standby amp, and power switch is on board. We on power switch. After power on, see, 350 360 amp, and if there is light in my pen drive, then display is coming. It's taken 200 250 amp. One time restart because of RTC. We also connect our pen drive. See, if there is blue light, display is coming. This is a HP water damage laptop. 400 300, yes, light is coming on pen drive, and this case study of HP laptop is now complete. Thank you. Fan spin, indication light, 400 amp, and yes, display also coming. This HP laptop is now complete. Thank you.